a bar, a birthday, and a man who flew his girlfriend in from Washington, D.C. for the occasion without mentioning one important detail: his wife. Officers arrived to find him bleeding. The rest writes itself.
Enough. Hey, go over there. Ma'am, have a seat over here. Sit down.
You saw that?
What's going on?
Nothing with her straight. She's just kind of
Okay.
race right now. Sorry, yeah, whatever you need. But
Okay.
yeah, she's been like smoking me, dude, the whole fucking time.
Why?
She thinks that there's a whole lot of shit going on over here, but it's not. I mean, it's
Okay.
her birthday's tomorrow, so she's a little drunk.
Are you guys together?
Yeah, we are.
Okay. Is she wife, married?
You can ask her that.
Married, girlfriend?
Girlfriend.
Okay. How long have you guys been together?
A year and a half.
All right.
But I'm not
You
trying
need-
to be an asshole, but look at me.
I know, I see you. Do you need rescue to come check you out? You got.
Did you see me over there when she smoked me? I was like,
Okay. Do you need rescue to come check you out?
No, I don't need it. I don't need that. I don't need
You
that.
sure you don't need any kind of rescue?
No, I just want her to be okay. And I
Okay,
want her
is
to
that-
chill. I want her to chill
I
out.
see that on the top of your head there. Are you bleeding from anywhere else or just the top of your head?
No, just my hand. She got me on the fucking. She got me on the side over here. You probably saw that right as she pulled up.
Okay. Well, I think you were probably bleeding before that too.
Anyway, I don't want her to get any. It's her birthday tomorrow, so.
I understand.
So tell me what happened.
He's married and we came here together. Tomorrow's my birthday. I'm here with him and his best friend Joe. I'm trying to find Joe because he has my hotel room. I don't know. He's at the bar next door. I think it's Sloppy Joe's or something. I don't know. I want to get away. That's what happened.
Okay.
He's married. That's literally what. Honestly, that's the truth. That's what happened. He's married. I'm 26. I'm turning 26. You can look at my ID if you want.
That's fine. That's fine.
No. I want you to look at my ID.
I'll hang on to that. Thank you.
I just want to leave. I just want to get back to my hotel.
Are you guys together?
Yeah, but he's married. I just don't want to be here anymore.
How long have you been together?
For a year, but he's married. His
Okay.
wife doesn't even know. But
Okay.
he's cheating on his wife with me and a million other people. I just
Alright.
want to get back to my shit, my hotel.
I'm 50. She's 25. She's turning 26, and her friends are over there, and all of a sudden they're like, you know, she doesn't have to pay for a thing. You know how
Got
it
it.
goes. Pay for a thing. All of a sudden, shit. I was like, honey, chill the hell out. She was like,
All right. Keep going.
she was like biting me. I got fucking blood all over.
Yeah.
That's fucking.
Do you got any like? I mean, I see you got some. Is that?
Yeah, but that's not.
No, I see that. But hold your hand this way for me. That looks like you got cut open there too.
Do you need an ambulance?
No, I don't need anything. I just want to
Okay.
get my shit.
All right, hang tight.
This is very uncomfortable. His friend has our hotel room. I just want to make sure I get my shit.
Okay. Let's hold off for a second, and I'll let you know what's going on.
He does not want her to get in trouble. He is bleeding from his head and his hand, and his first concern is making sure she is okay. That detail tells you everything about the dynamic here, and none of it changes what the officer is looking at. She is not hiding what happened. She leads with it immediately. He is married. That is her entire explanation, not a denial, not a justification. Just a fact she clearly believes makes everything that followed make sense. The officer does not engage with that. He is not there to adjudicate the relationship. He is there because a man is bleeding.
What happened today?
Oh, no.
Why did she start biting you?
Oh, it's just a whole. It's
Because
just.
that's not normal.
It's just a whole lot of drunkenness. Is what
Okay,
it is.
so-
But I don't want to get her in trouble.
I understand. I hear you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. That's fair.
How many times did she bite you? Because I got to do a report no matter what.
Well,
All right. I mean, you're bleeding from your head right now, so I got to do a
no,
report.
she didn't
on
bite me in the head, but
this. How did that happen? Was that like
she just punched me.
Okay. So you think it was just one punch to the head?
Is that the best way to say it?
I'm trying to get from you what happened, because I'm going to speak with her afterwards, and I'm sure we've got people that have been sitting around here that have saw what happened.
Yeah.
All right, give us a second, okay?
Okay, sure.
So what?
I called because I came in on my bike and I was going back here to park my bike behind Kevin's, and I saw him bleeding. They were fighting. When I got back to here, somebody pushed somebody into that fence, because I had definitely heard that. And I stopped and came around the corner. They were like, she's definitely the one who's hitting him. I don't know what she's saying, but she was like smacking him in the head. She was biting him in the arm. He kept trying to walk away. She kept grabbing him, like pulling him back. Like, she was definitely like the aggressor from what I saw.
I gotcha.
But that's when I called, because he kept trying to walk away and she kept grabbing him, like she'd bite him like on the arm, and then she'd like.
Would you mind
smack
filling
him
out
in
a
the
witness
head.
statement for me?
Yeah.
Okay, what happened?
It's my birthday tomorrow. You can look at my ID. We were coming here, me, Ryan, dude right there, and his friend, for my birthday. And what do you want me to tell you, dude? He's married. I don't know what you want to tell you.
I just want to know what
Shit
happened.
is not okay. That's all. Shit is not cool. He's literally lying to me. I can show you screenshots on my phone if that's what you want to see.
I just want to know what happened here.
He lied to me and he pushed me and I pushed him back, and that's what happened.
Okay. All right.
I just want to go back to my hotel room with Joe, which is his friend, and get all the shit, and then I want to leave.
Okay. All right. We're gonna need you to stay. Hang tight for us just for a minute. All right.
Why? What's going on?
All right. Sit tight.
There's
Stay
Joe.
seated.
No, the dude that's coming right there. That's with
That's Joe.
That's the guy that.
His friends.
No.
Your friends.
We are friends with.
All three of
It's not
you.
just him. We are
Okay.
friends with him.
I understand.
We have a hotel together. I just want to leave, and it's fine.
Okay. Well, right now we're conducting an investigation, so I need you to sit
I
tight.
understand that.
Okay.
I understand, but I'm telling you what's going on. You asked me, and I'm telling you.
Okay. I appreciate it. So you told me you're saying that he pushed you first?
Yeah, I'm here for my birthday. I don't want to do this. He didn't.
Stay seated.
No, because look at him. Look how he's acting right now.
Okay. Yes. That's fine. I'm watching all three
I
of you.
want to leave.
Okay. Have a seat. Okay. I'm
I
talking
don't
with
like
you.
this.
Miss, have a seat. Okay. Listen, I'm asking you right now to have a seat.
I'm having a seat, but why are
Okay.
you doing this right now? This is embarrassing.
Okay, like I told you, we're conducting an
This is
investigation.
embarrassing.
All right, we're trying to figure out what happened here.
Embarrassing.
Okay.
But how come he doesn't get to be talked to?
I've spoken with him first. I spoke with him
look
first.
At him.
I spoke with him
Look
first.
at him.
Okay, but now I'm speaking with you. I'm trying to ask you what happened because I got his
just told
side.
you what happened,
Okay, you told me that he pushed you,
and I pushed
and
him
then you
back.
pushed him back.
And
Okay.
he lied to me because he's talking to other people and his wife and whatever. I just told you he's married. He's got shit going on.
Okay. So how did he get all these marks on him?
He pushed me and I pushed him back. That's how he got those marks on him.
Okay, so
What about my marks? Did you see my marks?
an incident has occurred here.
I just want to leave.
All right, and we have to investigate what was going on.
I literally came with him and his boy, and he's literally sitting there talking to his boy like nothing happened.
Like I said, I've already spoken with him. All right, and then now I speak to you.
I'm right here, dude. I'm not moving anywhere.
Okay.
Don't worry.
All right, just hang tight there.
Is she trying to say that I?
Listen, we're conducting an investigation.
No,
we gotta get. I have to hear your side. I have to hear her side.
I love it.
Okay.
But I just want to make sure if she's trying to say something else.
I will tell you. I'll tell you everything she told me. If you tell me
yeah.
everything you tell,
Sure,
that,
sure.
that happened, okay?
Sure.
So,
Oh,
first,
well-
I just need a front shot, then
Oh,
I get
yeah,
two
fine.
sides real quick, okay?
Sorry, I had to get through.
Where did this start at?
It's been starting for everywhere.
Okay, all around.
No. We flew in together. Me, him,
Today.
and her. And then she was just pissed off from the fucking beginning. I'm like, Jesus Christ, it's your fucking birthday, man.
How long have you been dating?
Like a year.
Okay.
But I'm married. When she gets a little alcohol, she's just fucking violent.
All right. Ryan, so I'm gonna talk with her real quick.
Yeah,
Can I
yeah,
get
yeah.
you just hang tight here? Do not
Sure.
do not speak with her, okay?
No, I know. But she's okay.
Okay.
She just needs like a couple seconds to relax.
I got you, and that's what she's
Yeah,
airing
yeah,
out right
yeah,
now,
yeah.
okay?
Thank you, sir.
Sorry, you got a little bit of blood on your hands. I don't want to.
No,
I'm guessing you got pretty much what we got.
That's it. And so on the video, it shows her
Yes.
it shows him trying to get away from her. The video shows him trying to get away from her, like going around cars to avoid her.
Okay.
It doesn't show anything other than him maybe pushing her
All
away
right,
from
this
her.
10-15 her.
I'll send you the video now.
Um, All right, man. Please step down here for us.
Can you
Yes,
take
sir.
your purse off for me?
My what?
Your purse off.
What about everything I have on me? It's my bike
We'll deal with
marks.
the rest of that here in a second, okay? You step forward for me. I don't want you to fall off the stairs. Put your hand behind your back.
Are you serious?
Yes, ma'am. Put your hands
And what
behind
about
your back.
my bite marks that I have on me?
What bite marks?
Right here on my
all
arm.
right, relax.
I'm sorry, on
We'll
my
look at it
left,
here in a
on my
second,
right
okay?
arm. On my right arm.
You guys looked at any of that yet? She told me she was uninjured. Nothing happened to her.
No,
She told you.
I told them I had shit on my.
Hey guys, that's out.
All right, Ryan, step back.
I'll explain it to you here really quick.
83. I got 11015. Female. All right.
When am I gonna get out of this?
All right. Right now, we're gonna go sit down in the back seat of the car real quick. Okay. All right. You're gonna come with me.
Can we talk?
Yeah.
You didn't even see my arm. I don't. It's not even like that.
Okay. Do you have anything illegal on your person? Do you have any kind of weapons or anything
Absolutely
like
not. I just have my.
that? Okay.
I don't even.
I'm asking you.
No,
because,
sir, I'm
okay,
sorry.
Do you have any kind of weapons, anything like that?
No,
Anything that's gonna poke me,
absolutely
stick
not.
me?
I just came back. I just flew in from DC.
Okay.
No.
All right. So I'm gonna have a seat in here for me. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just watch your head. All right. I'm gonna place the seatbelt on you.
I've never been. Please don't leave yet.
I'm not going anywhere yet. Okay.
We promise.
I just have to have the seatbelt on you. Okay?
But you promise.
I'm not-
you're
we're not going-
leaving?
we're not going
What about
anywhere
my
yet.
phone, my
I'm gonna
purse?
grab everything for you. Okay.
Joe, don't leave.
A witness on a bike saw the whole thing. He kept trying to walk away. She kept pulling him back, biting, hitting. The surveillance footage confirms it too. He was going around cars trying to get away from her. That is 2 independent sources before anyone checks a single phone. She says he pushed her and she pushed him back. The officer asks how that accounts for the bite marks and the head wound. She does not have an answer for that because physics, again, does not negotiate.
She's your girlfriend, right?
She is.
Yeah, so she said also as well that she's been dating you for about a year, seeing you for about a year. You know, so in the state of Florida, I know, but this is the thing is in the state of Florida, that falls under domestic
Take your
violence.
hands out of your pockets, please, sir.
Oh, sorry.
That's fine.
In the state of Florida,
Sorry, man.
that falls
good.
under
But
domestic violence, and so per Florida state statute, if we have an allegation of domestic violence with injuries or anything like that, we are required to make an arrest, whether the victim wants to or not press charges. So sadly, per Florida state statute, we are required to make this arrest.
How can I?
We were able to determine that she was the primary aggressor, sir. So that's why she got arrested. Okay.
So
Thank you, but
she can, if she wants to, she can call you from the jail. She'll be given phone calls and stuff.
I don't want to go to jail. But
If she wants to, she can call you from the jail, and then when she gets, if she gets released tomorrow, tonight, whenever she gets her bond set, she gets bond.
Officer,
Yes.
I've never been in this situation. I don't know what's happening.
Okay. Right now.
You're freaking me out right now.
Okay. I'll talk to you in just a second.
I just want to get my stuff. Please. Officer, you said you were going to talk to me. What's going on? Can't even breathe in here. Hello?
I hear you.
But you're not even talking to me. I just want to. I'll go back. I'll go back to DC. It's my birthday tomorrow. Your buddy has my ID. Hello?
I hear you.
Don't leave, please. Officer. Please, officer. Please. Please, officer. You said you would talk to me. You lied.
No.
You promised me you would. And you didn't tell me anything. It's my birthday tomorrow. I don't want these problems. I just want to go back home. I promise. What's going on?
Okay, you were going to county.
What does that mean?
County detention center. Remember?
For how long?
You will speak to a judge in the morning on your first appearance.
What does that mean? I've never even been to court before. Huh? What? Am I getting out tomorrow? What's going on?
You will see a judge first thing in the morning, and it's up to the judge. He determines what goes on.
What's gonna happen tonight? I've never been to jail, I swear. What's happening? I don't want to. I'll go back to DC. You guys can put me on the next flight. So am I gonna be with other people there? Are they gonna fucking hurt me? What's going on? I've never been there before. And what about him? What about when we were at the bar? I don't want problems. I just want to go back home tomorrow. Tonight's my birthday. I've never been in this situation before. I don't even know what to do. I don't want to be in jail all night, please. There's nothing we can do about this. Nothing. I can't even take a flight back home tonight.
Right now, we have to wait.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna wait.
Can you put my skirt down? I mean,
Well, there's gonna be a female deputy that comes down. Okay, to take you up.
Okay, but what's happening?
Okay.
I'm gonna be here for what? How long?
Okay, you're here for battery.
I understand that.
Okay,
And what about?
see.
Okay, sure.
Ryan does not want to press charges. He says it clearly, and it changes nothing. Florida statute 741.29 does not ask the victim, it asks the officer. Mandatory arrest, primary aggressor, injuries present, dating relationship confirmed. The box is ticked whether Ryan likes it or not. She has never been arrested. She does not know what county means. She does not know what first appearance means. She asks if the other people in jail will hurt her. She asks if they can put her on a flight back to Washington, D.C. instead. Tomorrow is her birthday. She flew in for it. She is spending it in county custody because the man who brought her here has a wife at home who does not know she exists. He is not arrested. He goes home. She sees a judge in the morning. The law handled what it could see. What it could not see is that she walked into this weekend missing a piece of information that changed everything. Nobody is charging him for that. Nobody can. She was charged with battery under Florida's mandatory domestic violence arrest statute. Ryan did not press charges. It did not matter. The primary aggressor determination is legally clean. Witness testimony, surveillance footage, physical injuries, her own account that does not hold up against the evidence. The arrest is warranted. But the whole picture is harder than the charge sheet. A woman who found out mid-birthday trip that the man she has been with for a year has a wife, who reacted badly, who is now in a Florida jail cell instead of a Washington, D.C. apartment. While he goes home, the law drew a line at the violence. That is where it had to draw it. Everything that put her in that parking lot in the first place lives somewhere the law cannot reach. Nothing in this video is legal advice. I am not a practicing attorney. Every situation is different, and qualified legal guidance requires a qualified lawyer. See you on the next one.